Mostly looking better. Why consume?
Oh, I consume bird nest. Do you want to see the product?
Yes.
Let's go to the garden tomorrow.
Okay.
I consume. Really? Yes, the brand is Collagen. The product name is Bird Nest Collagen. This company produces various types of health and beauty products. You know what more interesting about this company? The company produces only natural ingredients. Wait, this product has GMP. What is GMP stand for? What is GMP? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. This certification gives official recognition to all food manufacturers that have successfully implemented all the criteria of GMP certification scheme. This product also under Ministry of Health Malaysia. You can check on MST website to know more details. Alright. Guys, do you want to know the benefit of this product? What is the benefit? Oh, it can help our skin look great, moist our skin, and most importantly, beauty like me lah. Oh, interesting. Don't you know that? Thank you for sharing. Bye. Hey, Nurul! Where are you from? Oh, just now I go to the garden dekat. Oh, what are you buying? Bird Nadzri. Oh yeah. Just now, I mentioned about GMP. Oh, can you explain to me about the benefit of GMP?
Oh, I know about the benefit, but first, let's see.
Alright.
Oh, I heard that GMP has many benefits. One of them, GMP can compete with other countries in their food global market. This can give opportunity to manufacture introduce their product in domestic market. That's why many manufacturers decided to apply this certificate.
Can I have a look? Wow, it also have halal logo. So it's connected with halal supply chain. Do you know the impact of halal supply chain with the GMP, sir?
No.
Oh, so in the GMP element, they have the traceability. So the traceability will be monitored and also be applied in halal supply chain. So the consumer will be satisfied with the halal management and the power of halal integrity.
How about the transportation for halal supply chain?
For the transportation, it will ensure clean. So there is no contamination with halal and non-halal products. The SIR2 will be included if the transportation is contaminated with a haram element. So the consumer will be ensured that there are halal integrity is applied.
Oh, interesting.
Yes. I would like to recommend to buy this product because it has halal logo, so we have no doubt to consume it.
And it also fulfills the halal content aspect. For me, I think public should buy this product because this product has controlled by GMP. GMP will ensure you high quality product without any concern.
All recognition import boleh berapa lah? I see first. Aku mata asin. Dah. Keluar.